Welcome to all of you. Welcome to all of you. Today's online education, spoken English, day 10th, topic flowers. Topic flowers. Before this, we have studied so many things, such as animals, fruits, different objects, school objects, street objects, home objects, this type of objects to build up our vocabulary. We are studying different topics. Today, there is a topic about flowers. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Do not forget to like, comment, and share to your friends. Please like it. Flowers. Think about these flowers. Different flowers are there. If you see, these are the flowers. I know about it, but we don't know about the names. What we call in English. Generally, we know in the Marathi or in the Hindi, whatever may be there, you are in your mother tongue. But what about the English? So please remember these things. Each and every words, English name of these flowers must be there. We must know all the names of these flowers. Think about it. Can you guess what are these flowers? See, flowers. One more activity. That is, what is this? One question, many answers. Same question, different answers. We ask only one question. What is this? And we get the different answers. Question is same, but the answers are different. That's why this activity known as same question, different answer. Question is one, and we get the many answer. That's why this is known as the one question, many answers. Both activities are the same, equal. What is this? Can you guess? Konkatwar. Can you guess? Okay, Priti.
Lotus. This is a lotus.
Yes, it's so easy. It's a lotus. It's a lotus. मराठी मध्ये काय म्हणतात? Kamal. Next, what is this? Konkatar, can you guess? Gile.
Mogra.
Mogra, what is in English?
Mogra.
Ugile. Can you guess the name of this flower? No. Dhanasri.
मग मोगऱ्याला इंग्लिश मध्ये मोगराच म्हणतात.
धनश्री.
मोगरा.
Okay. What is in English? That much the Concotor said, no. What is in English? कोणालाच माहित नाही. जयदीप. Jasmine. It's in English, jasmine, we call Mogra. This is a jasmine. What is this? Can you guess the flower? विनाकारण हात रेज करून ठेवू नका. येत असेल तर हात रेज करा. उगाच हात रेज करायचं नाही. Lower your hands. If you know the answer, then raise your hand. Otherwise not. Jaydeep. माहित नाही कोणालाही.
सुखी रोड सर.
No. मराठीत सांगा. What is this?
कनेरी.
कोरल जास्मिन पारिजातक. पारिजातकाचं फूल आहे ते. It is known as in English coral jasmine. This is a coral jasmine. Remember these things, these names of flowers. Actually, we know in Marathi, but what about in English? So please remember these things. What is this? Can you guess? Benjalwar.
This is a
This is the periwinkle.
It means what is in Marathi?
चाफा.
फूल, सूर्यफूल.
Marathi मध्ये चाफा, but in English champa. It's a champa. This is a champa. Names are different in English. We know in Marathi. Someone knows, don't know Marathi also. So remember these things. Champa. मराठी मध्ये चाफा म्हणतात त्याला. चाफा बोले ना, चाफा चाले ना. What is this? Umayya.
ट्यूबरोज.
Soumya. Soumya. उगाच रेज हँड करून ठेवायचं का? आवाज नाही येत का? सौम्या.
सर येलो.
काय? काय मराठीत नाव सांगा या फुलाचं.
गुलछडी.
बेंजलवार. संजीवनी. काय नाव?
गुलछडी सर. रातराणी.
Yes, it's a Ratrani. That is night sistrum. Night sistrum. Ratrani म्हणते त्याला मराठी मध्ये. This is a night sistrum.
सर इंग्लिश मध्ये नाईट क्वीन पण म्हणतात का?
Night sistrum म्हणतात. Night sistrum. What is this? These are the different colors, red, yellow, and white. 3 colors are there in this, and some blue color also there. But what is the name of it? 4 colors are there. No, it's not a dhotra. 4 color is there.
Lily.
Yes, it's lily. Lily. This is the
Water lily.
हा तेच सांगितलंय 4 प्रकार आहे त्याच्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे आणि त्याचे 4 कलर आहे. This is a lily. What is this? It's a easy.
Marigold. Sir, marigold.
Marigold.
This is a marigold. This is a marigold. Marigold.
Yes, marigold. Raise your hand only. It's a marigold. This is a marigold. आपण याला झेंडू असं म्हणतो. रोहिणी, झेंडू म्हणायचं नाही, marigold म्हणायचं. I want English names. What is this?
This is a hibiscus flower. Sir, this is a hibiscus flower.
Shivans, what is the name in Marathi? Shivans.
Jaswan.
Yes. It's a hibiscus.
Jaswan.
It's called in
This is
Marathi.
the
Jaswan.
hibiscus.
It is called in Marathi Jaswan.
Sir, this is the jasmine.
No, don't say Jaswan. Only say hibiscus. This is a hibiscus. Okay. Srishti. What is this? Who gets the answer? Dhanasri.
Jasmine.
What is the Marathi name? Benjalwar.
Kakad Mogra.
Sanjivani.
मोगला.
मोगरा पहिले गेला की रे, अजून हा मोगराच आहे का? सोनाक्षी. सोनाक्षी.
ट्यूबरोज.
What is it? It's a chameli. This is a chameli. मुलींना तर जास्त फुलांची माहिती असते. फक्त उगा झाडाचे फुलं आणून तोडून पूजेला करता का? फुल कोणत्या झाडाचे काही विचारत नाही का? माहिती घ्या फुलांची. What is this? If you know, then raise your hand. Otherwise not. Lower your hands. Sonakshi. Do you know?
This is a periwinkle.
Srishti, what is
This
the
is a
answer?
periwinkle. This is a periwinkle.
Yes, yes, I know. Srishti, what is your answer? तिला बंद कर. सृष्टीला सांग. सृष्टी ऐकू येत नाही का?
नाही सर, माइक नोट होत.
हा,
पेरिविंकल.
मराठीत काय म्हणतात त्याला?
त्याला सदाफुली.
सदाफुले. Exactly. This is a periwinkle. We known as a sadafuli. What we call sadafuli. This is a periwinkle. बघा, काही परिचित असलेले आणि काही अपरिचित असलेले दोन्ही प्रकारचे फुलं यात घेतलेले. फुलं आपण एक 10 इथं उदाहरणादाखल घेतलेले आहेत. We have taken here only 10 flowers, but there are so many flowers which are shown like in the first in the name plate. So write down all the names of these flowers. What is the meaning in a Marathi and what is the meaning in English? Naming words are there and both are the important, what we call in Marathi and what we call in English. इथं फक्त 10 शब्द दिलेत म्हणजे 10 शब्द पाठ करायचे नाही. अशा अनेक फुलांची नावं शोधून काढायची. आपल्याला युट्यूबला भेटतात, गुगलवरती भेटतात, पुस्तक असतात इंग्रजीचे त्यामध्ये भेटतात. फक्त शोधणं अत्यंत आवश्यक आहे. Try yourself to find out, search it and write down the all names of flowers. Okay. Now, many questions and many answers. This is one of the activities. By knowing the different things about only one thing, one object, and that is different questions, different answers. Okay. कॉम्प्युटर काय खेळायला का सरळ बसताय ना का खेळणं चालू आहे का तुझं व्हिडिओ दिसतोय मला काय करतोस तू व्हॉट इज दिस उगीले unmute yourself and say उगीले.
Sir, this is rose.
Rose. Marathi name?
Gulab.
Yes. This is a rose. Okay. Hooray. Unmute yourself and say, did you see this flower? What is that? Yes. Unmute yourself. Suyesh.
Yes, I see this flower.
Okay. Yes, I saw this flower. Did you see म्हणलं ना आपण did म्हणलेलं आहे इकडे पहिलं रूप आलेलं आहे त्याला आपण दुसरं रूप घ्यायचं उत्तरामध्ये. Yes, I saw this flower. Okay. Priti Patil, read the question.
It is our national flower.
Read the question properly.
Is it our national flower?
हा सुरुवातीला इज खाऊन टाकली होतीस बरोबर. Is it our national flower? Okay. Atharva, give the answer of this question.
No, this is no.
No, it's not a national flower.
No, it is not our national flower. Okay. What is our national flower, Atharva?
Sir, lotus.
Lotus. Okay. Fourth. Indrayani, read the question. Indrayani, read the question. नजर एक मारून नंतर स्क्रीन ऑफ कर. Yes.
Are there thrown to this tree?
Are there thorns to this tree? Rohini Kasbe, what is the answer?
No, are the three? They are throws not his plant.
There are no thorns to this tree or plant. Thorns म्हणजे काटे. याला काटे नसतात का गुलाबाला? रोहिणी.
Yes, sir.
मग नो कस काय म्हटली? Yes, there are thorns to this tree or plant. Fifth. Varad, read the fifth question.
What is the color of rose?
Yes, what is the color of rose? Okay. Konkatwar, what is the color of the rose? Shivans. No. Jaideep. Konkatwar, काय झालं? You don't know the color of this rose? Okay. Vedant. Benjalwar Vedant. Sanjivani.
Color of lead.
The color of rose is red. What is this? Srashti.
Sunflower.
Flower.
This is the sunflower. Sir, this is a sunflower.
ज्याचं नाव घेतलं त्यांनी चालू करा. परत सांगितलंय. उगा आरडलं तर मी तुम्हाला रिमूव्ह करतो म्हणून सांगितलंय. What is this? This is a sunflower. Second, Dhanasri, read it.
Did you see this flower?
Yes. Answer it, Mansi.
Yes, I saw sunflower.
Yes, I saw this flower. Third, Rohini.
Is it our national flower?
Yes, answer it. Second, Rohini.
Not is.
Rohini Devgunde, answer it.
Is it our national flower? Yes, is it our national? Sir, can I say?
उत्तर सांगायला सांगितलं तुला, रोहिणी.
Not is our national flower.
धनश्री.
No, it is not our national flower.
Yes. Is it our national flower? No, it is not our national flower. Fourth one. Aniket. Read it.
What is this use of sunflower?
What is the use of sunflower? What is the use?
Sir, I can say
Yes.
oil.
Make oil.
Make.
The use of sunflower is make oil.
The use of sunflower make EDB oil.
Flower is make
Edible oil. The use of sunflower is to make oil.
Make oil.
Or edible oil. Okay. Fifth question.
What
Chaitanya.
is the color of sunflower? What is the color of sunflower?
Okay. Ritesh.
Yes, sir.
Give answer.
Sunflower color is yellow.
Yellow. Okay. Think here. Before this, we have studied the rose, and now here is the sunflower. 5 questions are there. Flower is one. Questions are different. Answers also different. And that is the activity. Different questions, different activities about one object. Different questions, different answers. Now it's time for the today's homework. Write all names of given flowers in your notebook. See here, what are these pictures? Think about it. What is the name of these flowers? And more than this also you write. Do not think about these only pictures.
सर फुलांची नाव इंग्लिश मध्ये लिहून मराठीतून लिहायचे.
हो, तेच सांगतोय मी नेहमी रोज. इंग्रजीतही लिहा, मराठीतही लिहा, त्याचा उच्चार सुद्धा लिहा. काही काही जण त्याचा
Yes,
उच्चार
sir.
नीट करत नाहीत. तर आपल्याला उच्चार सुद्धा आलं पाहिजे. आणि त्या शब्दांना
Sir,
वाचा.
दुसऱ्या प्रश्नाचं काय?
ग्रुपवर टाका. सेकंड ऍक्टिव्हिटी क्वेश्चन. Second question, prepare some
दुसऱ्या
question and
प्रश्नात-
answers about above flowers. 5 questions about each and every flowers. I gave you example how to prepare the questions. And this is the main thing, to prepare the sentence or write down the different questions and different answers. Many questions, many answers. That is the second activity. And in the first activity, there is the naming words that are the nouns. So remember these things, not only these flowers, but you take again more flowers and write down all the names of flowers. जेवढ्या फुलांचे जास्त लिहिता येतील तेवढ्या फुलांचे लिहा. मी इथे एक उदाहरणादाखल काही उदाहरणं देतो म्हणून एवढंच लिहू नका. एवढंच होमवर्क सफिशियंट नाही. This is the only example. You want to do more, and if you do more, then you get the more knowledge. बरोबर आहे ना? Yes or no? So remember these things. Okay. Thank you. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Do not forget to like, comment and share to your friends. आपण व्हिडिओ पाहतात, व्हिडिओवरती पाहिल्यानंतर एक कमेंट लिहायला सांगितलं. इफ यू लाईक देन इट इज व्हेरी गुड. जर ऐकायला तुम्हाला जर चांगलं वाटलं नाही ना, इट्स बॅडली, हरकत नाही. पण तुम्ही कमेंट लिहा. तुम्ही लिहिले, तुम्ही बघितले, मला कळतंय ते तुम्हाला चांगलं वाटलंय किंवा नाही वाटलंय. Write down your comment. If it is good, then write. If it is nice, then say very nice. Whatever may be there, write down comment. Okay. Now, these are the things about the flowers. Is there any doubt about this session? Is there any doubt about this session?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
सर दुसऱ्याचे 5 प्रश्न तयार करून पाठवायचे.
हो. जेवढे जास्त करता येतील तेवढे जास्त करा ना.
Yes, sir.
Have a nice. Yes, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.